So welcome to Doing Stuff Outdoors, and what am I doing today? I just finished up rebuilding a Stihl MS 461, and I'm going to put a bar and chain on it, put some fuel in it, put some oil in it, fire it up, make sure at least idle's pretty good, take it over to the wood yard, which you won't see that today because I'm running out of time, but take it over to the wood yard and run it through some wood and do some final tuning on it. So stick around. So I'm going to put a 20-inch bar and chain on it. Going to fuel it, put oil in it, take it out for a run. Probably one of my favorite saws to rebuild anyways. I don't put any cheap made in China parts on my saws. So if you buy a saw from me someday, got all genuine Stihl parts. I think I'm going to have to adjust that. So the easiest way to adjust it I'm going to put this chain stop on it. So when you throw a chain, it quits turning. That's the chain stop for when you put dual dogs on it. Loosen it up here. That way, and now I can move this around and maybe. Okay. But that's why when you all buy a saw from me, I list a saw on Facebook Marketplace. There's no cheap made in China parts. And people just lowball me on these things all the time. And, you know, you get what you pay for. I could sell you a saw with cheap China parts for people lowball me on a saw like this for 500 bucks. Yeah, I could sell you a saw built with cheap China parts for 500 bucks, but you know what? You ain't gonna like it. 3 months down the road, and then you'd yell and scream at me. So, going price on the saw would probably be around 900 bucks. Does not come with a bar or chain. I'm putting the bar chain on it just to go make a video with it for y'all so you can see it cut. If you want the bar and chain, I'll sell it to you. Okay. Well, that's not good. Okay, there is one thing on this saw that's not Stihl, and that's the fuel and oil caps. I'm trying some different fuel and oil caps. Hopefully ones that won't leak. That wasn't good. Here's what happens. I don't know where you all are at, but it's like 75 degrees here today, where I'm at. Pretty warm. Tomorrow we're supposed to be 85, I think is what the weather guesser said. I have a feeling my fuel line's leaking. A little gas there. I know I got a gas leak here because I spilled it. Okay. All right, let's see if this thing will start up. I think it popped off on the, I had gas in it. Like I said, I haven't adjusted the carburetor yet. Slide a little fast. Missing the boot. You want to make the screws easier to get to. All right. Take it out, put it in some wood. It's oiling. I'll take it out and put some wood, tune it. I might have to put a carburetor kit in it. But yeah, I know it's going to run good. So if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. Have a super fantastic day.